This is a product from Amazon. I want you to write an authentic review of this product within 110 words. Cover at least a couple of pros and one con. Write something that is real and will help customers make buying decision. No need to use any references in the content. Number 1. Overall best pick. Redtiger Dash Cam Front Rear. The Redtiger F7NP Dash Cam offers solid value for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage. It records in 4K front and 1080p rear, providing clear footage day and night. The 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses help capture a broad view of the surroundings. Built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while the Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy access to footage via the Redtiger Cam app. The dash cam includes a 32 GB microSD card, supports loop recording, and features a G sensor for collision detection. Overall, the F7NP is a reliable choice for those seeking a dual-channel dash cam with GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities at an affordable price point. Number 2. My second best pick. Wolfbox 4K Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam offers a comprehensive driving solution with its dual camera system and advanced features. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen provides a wide, clear view, enhancing driving safety. The front camera captures 4K resolution, while the rear camera offers full HD, ensuring detailed footage. Night vision capabilities and a wide-angle lens further improve visibility in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS tracks speed and location, and the parking monitor feature provides added security when the vehicle is parked. Overall, the Wolfbox G840S is a reliable choice for those seeking a dual-channel dash cam with GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities at an affordable price point. Number 3. My third best pick. Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam offers comprehensive coverage with its front, interior, and rear cameras, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and families seeking enhanced security. The front camera captures 1440p resolution, while the interior and rear cameras record at 1080p, providing clear footage day and night. Equipped with infrared night vision for the cabin, a supercapacitor for reliability in extreme temperatures, and 24-hour parking mode, it ensures continuous monitoring. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is a robust dash cam offering extensive coverage and reliable performance, though it may lack some modern connectivity features. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam offers impressive features for its price. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, capturing clear footage day and night. The 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses provide extensive coverage. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi facilitate easy video management via the Rove app, supporting fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen ensures user-friendly operation. However, the rear camera's 1080p resolution may not match the front's 4K quality, and low-light performance could be better. Additionally, the rear camera lacks motion detection in parking mode. Overall, the Rove R2-4K Dual offers excellent value with its features and performance. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Pruveeo 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. The Pruveeo D90-4CH dash cam offers comprehensive 360 degrees coverage with 4 1080p cameras, front, rear, left, and right, ensuring no blind spots. Its built-in GPS logs speed, location, and route, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy video sharing via a mobile app. The time-lapse parking mode conserves storage and extends battery life, though it requires a separate hardwire kit. A notable downside is the lack of a built-in battery. The device relies on a supercapacitor, necessitating continuous power connection. Additionally, the rear camera's low-light performance may not be as robust as the front cameras. Overall, the D90-4CH is a solid choice for those seeking extensive vehicle coverage at an affordable price point. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite dash cams front and rear? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.